Well, it is a lovely morning leaving Red Lodge, Montana.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Suckage majoris.
Motorcycles use extreme caution. ADV bikes have a ball.
I'm headed up to Beartooth Pass right now. I think I got about 2 hours of riding today. This is by far the shortest day. Usually I'm on the road for 8 hours. The soreness from day after day after day on the road is getting to me a bit, although I'm feeling a lot better than I was last night, so that's good. But yeah, it already looks different than from when I came into town. You know, all the rolling hills with the grass. I'm already seeing mountains. A lot of sage there on that one hill to the right. There's a kind of a spire there that's kind of cool though. I wonder if this has a name. Get a piece of the rock. What is that, Prudential Insurance? Headed outside to go to breakfast before I finished packing and loaded up the bike, and I ran into a guy. He was meeting up a couple guys he'd met the night before, and he couldn't remember the name of the place they were going to meet at. And I said, oh, well, I'm looking to go into this one place called Prindy's. Turns out that's where those guys were. So we hung out and had breakfast. The two guys he met was a father and his son. His son's in the Navy. He just re-upped after tour of duty. But they're out here doing a ride. They'd just been to Glacier. Now they're doing Beartooth. I'm not sure where they're going after that. They were all ready to ride. I wanted to get out to breakfast quickly, so I kind of half-packed, but I hadn't loaded up my bike fully. We're definitely getting into the pass here. This is nice. I like the way the sun is hitting that rock formation up there. Oh yeah. A nice little set of S-turns. Wow. That's a heck of a valley. See how my GPS looks. A lot of switchbacks. There's two sections that zigzag a bit. This is the first section, multiple zigzags. The second set is where the summit is. I mean, even when you don't have the stunning rock formations and stuff, just the color of the earth and all the trees. Massive canyon. That's an interesting view. I apologize for the wind noise. I open it for the air a lot. Wow, that is definitely cold air. 44.6 degrees. I can feel the sting on my face. Now look, this looks totally different, man. It looks like I'm down in the plains. Yeah, I'm at 10,000 feet. There's actually stuff growing here. Not much, but leaving Montana. Thanks, Montana. Been a nice ride. Time to head to Wyoming. It's kind of interesting looking. It does look really, really weird. Like some kind of tram or something. Ski lift. The jaggedness of the rocks, the variance of the colors. Another lake down there too. Beartooth Pass. Here's the summit. Here we go. Howdy.
Hey,
How long you been here?
What's happening, man?
Good to see you, Andy.
Thank you. You had no trouble catching up with us.
How long you been here?
Just got here. Yeah, you're right behind us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cruise up there. I'll meet up with you guys at Irma's.
Obviously you will. You're this close already.
All right, man. Good to see you, Brian, Shane. See here. Looks like there's a vista point out over there. I would use the term path loosely, but they made it, so can I. Oh man, this is great. So I walked out to the overlook here, ran into a couple nice people, chatted with them. I've been meeting a lot of nice people on this trip, especially in the last 24 hours. So far, this is the best day of the trip. The views, the people, the ride. So this is Beartooth Pass, Wyoming. 39.2 degrees. Helped a couple bikers get their shots. Took a photo for the folks in this car here. I'm very pleased with how well my selection of cold gear is operating. I get a little bit warm when I walk around at altitude and huff and puff because there's no oxygen. Yeah, that's it. It's not that I'm radically out of shape. Of course, the huffing and puffing means that I'm fogging my visor. So, once again, I apologize for the windows. But if I don't see, I go over the edge and die. So, can't be having that. You want to see the videos for the rest of the trip. Right now, I think I'm going to enjoy the view of this little lake here. Try and keep the camera on it while darting my eyes back to the turn up ahead. Okay, sorry. Gotta focus here. Oh, this looks sweet. wonderful view obscured by the snow markers. Nice lake. Friends on the Super Tenere. Oh, here's that view I was looking for. Oh yeah. There's a pullout, yeah, but it's gonna block my view. I need to stop here. Gorgeous. The colors on that rock there. I remember what pocket I put my camera in. Oh, that would be the same one I always put it in. Way in. Oh look, I'm gonna ride with my friends from the Red Lodge. Their bike was there when I pulled up last night. They're the ones I just helped at Beartooth. That's Griff and Terry. They're like 3 miles from the top of the world resort. I'm gonna pick up my obligatory t-shirt, which I hope they, oh geez, you gotta be kidding me. I thought we would go like that way and that was my last shot at this view. That's the view I stopped to get. Nice. Oh, this place is closed. Oh, really? First bummer of the day. I wanted my t-shirt. El Bumero. Suckage Majoris. Roadwork, 30-minute delay. Number 2, disappointment, only seconds later. And you know, they say things come in threes. I might get lucky here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Because the traffic just came. So the pilot, if there is one, is just turned around and is moving these guys. My wait time here, 0. And here I thought it was gonna be the second disappointment. Instead, rescued from the ashes of despair. Yes, score. Motorcycles use extreme caution. ADV bikes, have a ball. Starting to get some fall colors, I think. That's nice. Made the left onto, I called it Crandall Road, but I think this is Chief Joseph Highway. And we begin the ascent. Thanks. That was really cool of them. They pointed out those rocks to me, like a good rider should. Stick out his right foot. That's the appropriate signal for debris in the road. I stuck around to help Griff and Jerry at the Beartooth Pass sign. Couldn't get his bike started. But nice view. Bridge here. That looks like an awesome bridge. Holy cow. And that right there didn't have a bad view either. Cows right there. Look at the little cat. Out with mom. Mom's taking Junior out for lunch. Don't order the most expensive thing on the menu down there. There will be no lobster, thank you. Eat the damn grass. A camper. Oh, nice view. That's awesome. Coming down from the Dead Indian overlook. It's a nice little formation there. Yeah, close and personal. Howdy. How's the day going? Oh, look. They said it was a point of interest. Sage everywhere. Sage, 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 sage. So I stopped for a sec. I turned the bike back on. It's at exactly 52,000 miles, which is not a major milestone, but it is kind of cool. Triple zeros. Cody was founded by Buffalo Bill Cody. Buffalo Bill's Irma Hotel, Restaurant, and Saloon. The West the way it was. So the three guys I had breakfast with this morning, Andy, Brian, and Shane, are going to be at Irma's tonight for dinner. It's like some cool Wild West type experience. What the heck? When in Rome. Oh, here's my hotel. Well, that was quick.
If you've liked this ride, check out one at the top of your screen. And consider liking and subscribing. It'll really help us out. And wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.